All right, welcome back to Ride It, Wrench It. This short video is going to show you how to reset your service mileage on your Harley Davidson Boombox GTS. This is done on 2022 Street Glide Special. Should also work on the Street Glide CVO, Road Glide Specials, and Road Glide CVOs as well. What I'm resetting here is from like your home screen, go to the information and then go to the engine, and it's the distance since last service. So we're going to reset that number. I haven't reset it. When I did my 1,000-mile service, I left 2 days later to California, but I want to do a video on this, so I didn't want to reset it. So first thing you're going to do is get back to the home screen, and you're going to turn the ignition off. Now, the reason you're doing this is because when you turn it on, you need that little Harley Davidson symbol to come up, you know, the one that kind of sparkles, and where you have to accept the I guess the safety warning that comes up, and you have to wait like 15 seconds for it to reset. If you turn it right away to accessory, it will bypass that if you've had the bike on. So we're going to turn it to accessory. We're going to wait for the warning screen, and then we're going to press and hold the power mute button. So there's our warning screen. Press and hold the power mute button. There it is. And now we're in the service menu. So it took about 10 seconds for it to do that. From the service menu, you're just going to scroll down, and you're going to do reset. And then you're going to scroll down a little bit further here for mileage reset, and you're going to reset your mileage. Service reset, clear info screen, mileage since last service, yes. There we go, we're reset. So now we can go back to the home screen. We can go back to the information, to the engine, and we've got our service back to 0. So as always, give me a thumbs up, and be sure and hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and visit the website at rideitwrenchit.com.